Have you ever wondered how to truly safeguard your retirement in a world filled with economic uncertainty? With inflation on the rise and banks struggling to stay afloat, the security of your IRA might not be as solid as you think. Today, we're going to uncover how one simple move can protect your nest egg against all of these threats, and we're talking about real, tangible assets like gold. Here's a quick story that could be your story. Meet Linda from Florida, a teacher who spent 30 years in the classroom. After years of saving, she had over $500,000 in her IRA. But with the economy getting shakier by the day, Linda started wondering, is my retirement really safe? She watched the headlines, banks collapsing, inflation spiraling, and felt the weight of the uncertainty. She wasn't sure if her savings were as secure as they once seemed. Linda took action and decided to roll part of her IRA into a Gold IRA. And you know what? That one move gave her the peace of mind she desperately needed. She no longer felt like her retirement was at the mercy of fluctuating markets or government policies. Her wealth was protected by an asset that has stood the test of time: gold. And if you're wondering, can gold really protect my retirement? Let me explain why it's not just a smart move, it's a necessary one. Gold has historically outperformed stocks and bonds during times of crisis. When inflation rises, when the stock market takes a dive, gold tends to hold its value or even increase. While paper assets can lose value overnight, real assets like gold remain a reliable hedge against financial instability. Let me put it another way. Imagine if Linda had kept her entire IRA in stocks. With the recent market volatility, she could have easily seen her account drop by 10%, 20%, or more. But with gold, Linda protected herself from those massive losses. And she's not alone. Thousands of retirees are turning to gold IRAs to ensure their savings are protected, and it's easy to see why. Now, here's the best part. Taking that first step towards a safer retirement is easier than you think. I'm offering you a free Gold IRA guide, packed with everything you need to know about how gold can secure your future. Plus, you'll get a no-obligation educational call to discuss your options with an expert, just to make sure it's the right fit for you. There's no pressure, no sales gimmicks, just straight talk about your retirement. But here's why this is truly important. You've worked hard to build your retirement. Your hard-earned savings deserve protection, especially for the next generation. Don't let inflation, economic chaos, or market crashes eat away at what you've built. If you're ready to make sure your IRA is safer with real assets, just click the link in the description for your free Gold IRA guide and schedule that quick call. No pressure, just a simple conversation to see if gold is the right move for you. It's time to protect your future, because you've earned it.